Hello, everybody. CSA Breakers here. Ready for the second break of the night. We have a Bowman Jumbo Hobby Box, 3 autographs per box. We got a bunch of Bowman Chrome coming at you. Hopefully get some nice Bowman firsts. So good luck to everybody in the break. I'm going to invite everybody in the break right now. I'm going to rip a personal select hanger as well right before we start. And then we'll start the break up. I'm going to invite a few people into the break. What's up, Card Pimps? All right, personal, and then we'll start the break. Give everybody a minute to join up. Wish me luck. What's up, Mike? Mike, we got the Optic Football right after this. We're doing the Bowman Jumbo right now. I'm going to do a personal hanger right now. A personal hanger action. Marlon Davidson. Jonathan Taylor, base. Matthew Stafford, now on the Chargers. Excuse me. Now, what am I talking about? Now on the Rams. Thinking about California, but he's on the Rams now. Excuse me. Jake Fromm. Bills. Bradley Chubb. Broncos. CeeDee Lamb. I like that. Russell Wilson. Got the tight end for the Pats. So nothing crazy there. We got a silver. Phillip Rivers. J.J. Watt. Brian Urlacher. Gandy Golden. Brandon Cooks. Hightower. Cam Akers. And then a field level Anthony McFarland Jr. So nothing too crazy there. Let's start the break. Saving the heat for the break. Saving all the heat for the break. Let's start it. Good luck, everybody. Appreciate Card Pimps. Trey Dunnigan, TB23, Angelo, and Mantis Postcard Plus. Appreciate you guys. We'll be randomizing tonight 8 times. 8 times, starting on Tier 3. Good luck, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Tier 2. 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A's number 1, Oakland Athletics. Spot number 1. And we got tier 1. Good luck to everybody. I appreciate Card Pimps with 60% of the board tonight. Thank you so much. If you're just coming into the lobby, we're randomizing tonight 8 times. Good luck, everybody. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There it is. Boom. Card Pimps pimping out 60% of the board. Got some nice teams tonight. Best team, Red Sox. You got the White Sox, Phillies, Yankees, Angels, Brewers. So nice with the Brewers as well. You have the Athletics, the Astros, the Indians, the Diamondbacks, the Marlins, Pirates, Dodgers, Mets, Mariners, Reds, Nationals, and Royals. So I appreciate you, man. And Madame, appreciate you guys. Trey Dunnigan, 24. What's up, Trey? If you miss it, I'll post the break after so you can watch the recap. Tonight you got the Tigers, the Cubs, and the Orioles. Next up, we got TB 23 cards. I hope all is well, man. Appreciate you coming out. Rangers, Giants, and Rockies tonight. So good luck there. Next up, we got Angelo Mack with the Blue Jays. So good luck tonight on the Martin search. Austin Martin. Tonight we're looking for him. Angelo with the Blue Jays, Braves, and Cardinals. And then last but not least, we got Mantis, Poke Card Plus. What's up, Mantis? Tonight you got the Twins, Padres, and Rays. So if you guys have any questions, if you need to know your teams at any point, just let me know. We're going to start ripping. We got a bunch of cards to rip, and then we got Optic Football right after this. So we're busy. I'm going to put the gloves on. Start it up. Starting it up, let me take the steak knife out so we can start ripping here. Steak knife. Everybody. All right. Good luck, everybody. Why am I struggling so much? Let's count the packs out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Pack number 1. Good luck, everybody. Start us off with a nice rookie. It's a good sign. Alec. Bowman. Got a Nolan. Juan Soto. Aaron Judge. We got a Yaz. Bo Bichette, second year. Trevor Bauer. Otani. Charlie Blackmon. Anderson. Harper. Molina. Got a Lindor. A nice Abel futurist. Got a sick Luis Robert here for the White Sox. Card pimps. Reds. As far as the Bowman Chrome. Marsh. Diamondbacks. Got the Blue Jays. Luis Garcia for the Phillies. And I see an atomic. Casey Martin for the Phillies. Card pimps. So card pimps for the atomic. Nice pull. Got a Riley Green. Tenna first. We'll take that. Take care of that. Jason Dominguez. We'll take care of that. Austin Hendrick. Beard. All right. That was the first pack. Not bad. 11 to go. All right, pack 2. Pack number 2. Kenzie. Ian Anderson. A Nick here. Get a Crotchet. Altuve. Pete Alonso. Manny Machado. Kyle Lewis, second year. Max. Got Chris Bryant. Santander. Bobby Dahlback, rookie. Red Sox tonight, card pimps. Joe Adele, Angels. Got the futurist for the Giants. There we go. Nice hit for the Orioles. Trey Dunnigan, 24. We got an Evan White, rookie for the Mariners. There we go. That's a nice pull for the Twins. Mantis Postcard Plus. There we go. There's a hit. First nice hit of the box. One of the better Bowman firsts of the year for the Twins and Mantis Postcard Plus. Appreciate you, bud. Nice hit. We'll take care of that. Back to back. Let's go. Blue Jays. Angelo Mack with the Austin Martin. Sick card, dude. Going back to back. Back to back hits. Green. There's another first for the Marlins. Card pimps. Wander Franco. Rays. Mantis Postcard Plus. We pulled the Atomic earlier. We got a Jared Kelly first for the White Sox, and then a first for the Twins. So give me a moment. Give me a second here. I'm going to take care of them. We had 2 back-to-back nice Bowman Chrome first, Austin Martin, and then the Twins prospect that people are talking about. So those are the best 2 so far. So 2 hits back to back. Austin Martin. Blue Jays, this is the guy you want. Nice hit for Angelo Mack. Boom. Pack number 3. Pack number 3. Let's get those autos. We still got 3 autos to go. 3 autographs to go, guys. Pack number 3. Let's see if we have our first of 3 autos in pack number 3. Coming up after this, we got Optic Football Break. It's filled up. See some color. Got a fatty. Singer. Got another one. Another one. Another one. Similar run here. Got a Yaz. Similar run. Bo Bichette. Otani. Anderson. Harper. Molina. What do we got here? Nate Peterson. And there, like I said, first autograph. Called it. That's a Bay. Like to see that the first Bowman autograph that we got is a Bowman first. Nice hit for the Pirates. Card Pimps. Let's go, Card Pimps. Looks like it might have a slight line on top, unfortunately. Slight print line right there. I don't know if you can see it or not. But we'll take the Bowman first. He wrote it in... I'm not sure. But some type of Asian language there. Cool card for Card Pimps. Got a Whitley. As far as the other Bowman Chrome, a Batty, a Rutledge, Trevor. There we go, Choi. Dodgers, Bowman first for the Dodgers. Card Pimps. James Beard. Bowman first, Mena, Padres. Bobby Witt Jr., Royals. All right, let's keep it going. Let me take care of some cards. Choi. Two autos to go. I believe this is pack number 4. Let's keep it rolling. Sanchez. Jordan. DeGrom. Mike. Chapman. Baez. Muirfield. Got a nice rookie here for the Pirates. Spencer Howard. Marte. Joey Votto. Buster Posey. Garrett Cole. Futurist for the Pirates. There we go. There's a beauty. Phillies. Phillies tonight. Card Pimps. So nice hit for Card Pimps. Looks to be in pretty good condition. We're going to take care of that. Jared. The other Bowman Chromes will get the Yankees. Prospect for the Indians. Mitchell. Brewers. There we go. Reyes. Bowman first for the Tigers. Trey Dunnigan, 24. So we'll take care of that for you, boss. Got the Cardinals. And then the paper. Where's those first set? Where are those first set? But we're happy with this one. This nice Reyes first. We'll take that. Take care of some more. This is a nice card too for the Phillies. Excuse me. Next pack. Still looking for 2 more autos. Try not to die over here. Next pack. Got Ruiz. Santino. Mike Trout. Castillo. Cody Bellinger. Donaldson. Nola. Austin Meadows. Bubick. Tyler. Tejada. Joey Bart rookie. Pearson. Xander Bogaerts. Paul Goldschmidt. We got a pipeline for the Cubbies. Take care of that. We got a Gore. Austin Hendrick. The Braves. Nolan Jones for the Indians. And then the Mets. Seth Beer. Where's the first set, y'all? Next pack. Still got 2 autographs coming. Ian Anderson. Altuve. Pete Alonso. Manny Machado. Luis Garcia, Max Scherzer, Chris Bryant, Santander, Bobby Dahlbeck. Second time we've seen him. Third time, Joe Adell, second time. Got the Rookie of the Year favorite, Joey Bart. There we go. Bowman first, purple autograph, Jose Rodriguez. White Sox, Card Pimps, killing it. Appreciate you, Card Pimps, as always, man. A nice. At a 250, it's a purple. Shortstop, second baseman, Jose Rodriguez. 69 at a 250. So nice pull there for Card Pimps. We'll take care of it for you, bud. That's the pull of the break so far. We still have 1 more autograph to go and a bunch of other great hits. Matt Manning. Andrew Vaughn. It's going to end up being his rookie year. We got a Nick York. There we go. Another White Sox hit for Card Pimps. Sanchez. Look at that. At a 125. That is number 6. At a 125. So this is quite the pack. So I don't know if you can see it. It's tough to see with the shimmer there, but the card is 6 at a 125. I don't know what number he is. But that's a nice hit for the Brewers there. Starting to get some nice hits here. Card Pimps. Got a first for the Marlins. I got some nice cards to take care of. Give me a moment. Mostly going to Card Pimps. Guess that's what happens, though, when you control 60% of the board. So thank you, Card Pimp. Appreciate you. Here's one of them. Another one. I'm going to get some thicker top loaders. Give me a moment. All right. Show this one off. There's levels to it. Let's keep it going. Get ourselves a nice top 6 tonight. Let's improve on it. Gleyber Torres, Blake Snell, Yu Darvish, Carl Schmidt, McKenzie, Jake, Luis, Acuna, Christian Yelich, Sean Murphy second year, got a Kyle Lewis second year, got the futurist for the Mets, Aaron Judge, throwback, Nick Gonzalez, got the Twins here, Matthew Thompson for the White Sox, DJ Hall, Casey Martin. There we go. Bowman first. So, dude, you want for the Twins, I believe. Mantis Poke Card Plus, or at least one of them, I believe. We got a Whitley. There's a nice Bowman paper. Austin Martin for the Blue Jays. Angelo Mack. Second time seeing him today so far. Another good paper card. Jeremy D. La Rosa for the Nationals and Card Pimps. Take care of that one as well. Back-to-back. It seems like there's a lot of back-to-back hits in this set. Nice Duran for the Red Sox. Got a Gore. And then a nice Bowman paper first. Again here. Three of them in the pack. This is the guy you want for the Twins right here. Mantis Poke Card Plus. Mantis. Let me get the De La Rosa taken care of, and then the Austin Martin. So some hits there. Let's keep it going. Next pack. After this, guys, we get the Optic Football. Miguel Cabrera. Gleyber Torres. Miguel Cabrera's got to step his game up or he's going to find himself like Albert Pujols here pretty soon. Got a Gleyber Torres. Because Miguel Cabrera is batting like, what, 125 or something crazy? Yeah, Yu Darvish. He's got to learn to start hitting more. Garcia. The Jake again. Luis. Junior. Shane. Christian Yelich. Sean Murphy. The pipeline for the Giants. San Francisco. And then we got ourselves a nice paper here. Max Kepler, 96 out of 150. Cool card for the Twins. Mantis Postcard Plus. The Chrome. Got a nice Duran for the Red Sox. Card Pimps. Clayton. Kalinick. Gore. Whoa! Whoa! Card Pimps. Let's go. White Sox. Card Pimps. Is that a gold? 36 out of 50. Sanchez. Let's go. Card Pimps. Let's go. Hell yeah, dude. 36 out of 50. Sanchez. I'm pretty sure this is the guy you want for the White Sox, too. Not positive. I gotta do my research more. But he looks like he can hit. Boom. Hit for the freaking Card Pimps, baby. Card Pimps. 36 out of 50. Bang. Looks to be in great shape as well. Let's take care of it. Another hit. First for the Angels. Card Pimps. There we go. Let's take care of him. Crazy. Out of 50. Cespedes? Okay. Alright, I'm learning. We'll take it. It's a win. Alright, we got 4 packs to go. 4 packs to go. Let's keep it going. Alright, let's keep it going here. Next pack. Solar. Sanchez. Garcia. Jimenez. Dylan Carlson. Nice hit for the Cardinals. Angelo Mack. Cabrera. JD Martinez. Austin Hayes. Evan White. Tavares. This kid's killing it. Marlins. Check him out. We'll take care of it. Card Pimps. Casey Miz. Debbie Garcia. We got the Rookie of the Year favorite for the Phillies. Card Pimps. Take care of it for you. We got a pipeline for the Phillies. Card Pimps. Jake Vogel, Dodgers. Card Pimps. I believe we pulled him last night for you as well. Freeman. CJ Chatham. Nick Allen. There we go. A nice Wander Franco for the Rays. Nice Bowman Chrome there. For the Rays and Mantis Postcard Plus. Take care of it. Nick Allen again. Some purple here. Boom. Nick Lofton. 231 out of 250. 231 out of 250. Nice hit for the Royals. Card Pimps. All right. I take care of a few cards. Keep it going. We have 3 packs to go. Then a recap. I believe we have 1 autograph. 1 auto left. 3 packs. Let's roll it. Three to go. Joey Gallo. Vlad Guerrero Jr., Luis Roberts, second year. Freddie Freeman. Got a Tanner rookie for the Red Sox. Sam Huff. Rookie for the Diamondbacks. Got Josh Bell. Mookie Betts. Alex Bregman. Jose Abreu. Got a Tatis Jr. Anthony Rendon. Ryan Mountcastle. Futurist Bobby Witt Jr. First time seeing this. Bowman break number 5. Nice hit for the Royals and Card Pimps. Another positional promise. I don't know if there's 2 per jumbo, but this is a hit for the Tigers. Trey Dunnigan, 24. Riley Green. Got a Julio Rodriguez. Got a Gunner. JJ for the Marlins. Julio Rodriguez. And then an Eddie Diaz. That's a nice hit for the Rockies. Bowman first. Chrome. Rockies tonight. Who's got him? TB 23 cards. Take care of it for you, bud. And then we got our second atomic. Matthew Thompson. White Sox. Card Pimps. The paper. Got a nice hit for the Indians here. We'll take care of it. Bowman first. Then another Bowman first for the Yankees. Card Pimps. Kirby. All right, let's take care of him. Got 2 packs to come. 2 packs to go, and then we're going to do a recap here. After this break, we got Optic Football. That'll close the night out. Still got 2 packs to go, 1 autograph to go. So who's it going to be? Who's it going to be? Well, we shall see. Take care of 1 more card, and we'll start it. Second to last pack here. Good luck, everybody. Garcia. Sanchez. Alvarez, second year. Got a DeGrom. Mike. Chapman. Got a Baez. Got our second Hayes rookie of the break. Pirates. Spencer Howard rookie. Got a Marte. Joey Votto. Buster Posey. Garrett Cole. And then a Rookie of the Year favorite for the Marlins. Take care of that. And there is our third and final autograph. It's a blue at a 150. A beauty. Our third Bowman first auto. Our second numbered auto. It's a blue. This one's 88 at a 150. 88 at a 150. A nice hit for the Diamondbacks. Tonight, the Diamondbacks are no other than Card Pimps. So Card Pimps taking home 3 autographs tonight. Appreciate you. 3 Bowman first autos for Card Pimps. The Diamondbacks. Bowman, Chrome, Auto, Blue. Got the Lynch, Royals, White Sox, Athletics. And there we go. Jeremy De La Rosa. Nice hit Bowman first. Chrome for the Nationals going out to Card Pimps. We'll take care of that for you as well. The Josh Jung paper. We got ourselves one more pack to go. I see some color there. Got the Acosta as well. Another Sanchez there. See some, what is that, pink? There's Reyes. We'll take care of that. And then the last card is pink. It's a JJ. That's 252 out of 299. Marlins. So give me a moment to take care of them. A lot of hits here. We got one more pack to go and then a recap. Let's keep it rolling. Yeah, I trade. I do everything, bro. Yes, sir. It's a nice De La Rosa right here. Nice hit for Card Pimps. Again, we'll take it. Team Card Pimps. And then we had that another autograph here, blue. Let me get a proper top loader for it. Proper top loader. There we go. All right, guys, last pack to go, then a recap. Appreciate you. It's been a great break so far. Let's add to the hits right now. Let's add to it. Last pack. Trevor Bauer. Solar. Sanchez, Alex, got a Jose Garcia, Jimenez. Our second Dylan Carson of the break. We'll take care of that. Got a Lindor. Lindor's going to start picking it up here. JD Martinez. We got Austin Hayes. Evan White, rookie for the Marlins. Excuse me, rookie for the Mariners. Tavares. This kid's killing it right now. Rookie for the Marlins. Take care of that. Got a Casey Miz. Futurist for the Angels. We got a nice rookie throwback for the Braves here. Atlanta. Angelo Mack. As far as the last set of chrome, let's hope we can get one more first. Jeter Downs, we'll take that. Red Sox. Card Pimps. Logan Davidson, I think that's it. Got a nice lacy hair paper. We'll add that to the first. It's Nick Maton for the Phillies. Got a third baseman first for the Cubs. Yankees first. Let's take care of it and do a recap. I don't know, man. Just DM me. I'm not really in the can't be really trading at the moment, brother. But if you want to hit me up, if you want to send me a message, that's for sure. We can do that. We can start with that. But a little busy right now, boss. Just gonna finish this break up, and then if you want to shoot me a message after this, it's cool with me. Let's recap. We had a bunch of hits. We'll go over the sleeve cards first, then the top loaders. Then we got ourselves a really nice top 6 tonight. Top 6. Let's do it. All right, Jason Dominguez. Tenna. The Orioles. First for the Twins. White Sox. We had a Bobby Witt for the Royals. First for the Padres. Hayes. Cabrian Hayes. Rookie for the Pirates. I think we had 2 of those. We had 2 of these tonight. And we had 2 of these tonight. Paper and chrome for both. Some more sleeve cards. We had Dylan Carlson again. Reyes first. We had the Rangers first. Indians. Rookie for the Marlins. We had 2 of these. We had the throwback rookie for the Braves. Nick Manton for the Phillies first. We had the Cubs first. Yankees first. Yankees first. White Sox first. Pipeline for the Pipeline for the Giants. First for the Angels. And then Joey Bart, rookie catcher for the Giants. As far as the top-loaded cards, before we do the top 6. Choi first for the Dodgers. We had the Atomic Casey Martin Phillies. Really nice Bowman Chrome here. Jeremy De La Rosa for the Nationals. Excuse me. Had that pink at a $2.99 JJ for the Marlins. Riley Green for the Tigers. Eddie Diaz. First Bowman Chrome for the Rockies. We had another Atomic for the White Sox. Jake Vogel. Bowman Chrome first for the Dodgers. We had Wander Franco. Rays. Purple out of 250. Nick Lofton for the Royals. Really nice Bowman Chrome here for the Twins. A blue Max Kelper. A really nice Twins first. We had Austin Martin paper. Sanchez first for the White Sox. We had the Alec throwback rookie for the Phillies. And then a Reyes first for the Tigers. As far as our top 6 tonight, we had that Austin Martin Bowman Chrome first, rather. Nice hit for the Blue Jays. We had out of... Is this out of something, or is this just a 1 per box? Oh, this is out of 125. Excuse me. 6 out of 125. Nice hit for the Brewers. I guess we'll do the 3 autos last. This is a nice card, though, out of 50. I don't know if this is the best card or definitely top 4. 36 out of 50. Nice hit for the White Sox and Card Pimps. Card Pimps took home all 3 autographs as well. Guess that's what happens when you have 60% of the board. We had that blue pitcher. We had the nice shortstop prospect for the Pirates. And then Jose Rodriguez, shortstop second baseman for the White Sox. 69 out of 250. So I'm going to get a screenshot here. Give me a moment to clean up, and then we're going to get right into the Optic football break. That's coming up right after this, guys. We have Optic football coming up right after this. Just give me a moment to clean this up. Appreciate you guys. This is was a great break. Fun break. Bunch of color, bunch of autographs. We should be doing another Bowman break tomorrow. I don't know if it's going to be a hobby box or a jumbo hobby box, but we should have another Bowman break tomorrow. Optic football coming up, and we'll have more Prism basketball tomorrow as well. So thank you guys so much. Thank you, Card Pimps. Thank you, Trey Dunnigan. Thank you, TB23 Cards, Angelo Mack, and Mantis Pokar Plus. I appreciate you guys so much. Another great break. Another great Bowman break. Like I said, give me maybe 10 to 15 minutes to clean up, and we're going to go right into the Optic football break right after this. So thank you guys so much.